Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today a new one, new toy I want to show you. So I'm a fan of one kind of knife. This is a copy of not the copy, I'm a fan of the Boss Gemini team. And I already show you that one, which is the clone from Bolter, which is really good. And that one, which is the clone from Biz, which is really good too. And I love the Boss. This one is really a beast in terms of shopping and efficiency. I mean that this one is more for the style. The only issue I have with that one, this is that they don't have the groove here. You know, I like when you have the groove because I like for the style to get that part with the groove. It's better. And whatever I found, you know, I'm so a fan of that knife that even if I have two already, I was like finding a new one released recently on AliExpress. The guy showed me, and that was this one, which was at 92 euro or something like that. So I was like, why not? I've seen it a while ago, and now they release it. It's in red, a kind of orange red handle, and I was loving the handle and everything. So I was like, let's take it. Only issue with that knife, this is actually very hard to take it out of the sheath. We'll discuss that a little bit later. Look at my. So what do we have here? We have a very good looking one. It's DC53. Nice groove, nice color. It's a little bit coated in gray with the green, not the gray with the red orange handle, which is like very well made, very nice. And the brand is that brand, which I think is Efengro, something like that in Chinese. They have also a knife and they do pretty good knife. So then this is the normal spec, I mean, that you have in all that kind of knives, almost the same size, just nice Z10 handle, gray one. So what we can see, this is that the biggest one is the Bolter. This is the heaviest one too, and you can see that the handle is not exactly the same. The handle of this one is a little bit like with more volume here. The other one is slimmer. So if you have big hands, probably this one is better. You have a very good grip on that handle too. I mean, that probably better on the other one. And this one is a good grip too, but this one is slimmer handle. This one is less textured. I mean, it's textured, but it's a little bit less grippy, but still very comfortable. So whatever. The point is that these stuff are almost all the same. I would say this one is a little bit better in terms of quality, performance, if you really want something efficient. Then in terms of style, these two one are really like similar. I think this one is a little bit more heavy because the blade is thicker, a little bit thicker. We'll see that a little bit after. And you have a little bit more less. The handle is not the same texture. So yeah, for me it was just to get another color, and I really like that kind of red, orange, and black color. I think it's a really good one. It's like a zombie knife. Honestly, I didn't get so much red handle, and I think it's nice on the field to get a red handle because you don't lose your knife easily. I mean that if you drop it somewhere, yeah, that one you drop it somewhere, it's a little bit dark. Okay, you will find out at the end, but easier to find this one. So it depends if you want low profile to get something like that I really like too, or if you want something like that too, which is a little bit lower profile, or if you want something a little bit like more visible and a little bit more fancy. I mean, that's for the style. I tested the knife, and what I can tell you this is that I think in terms of performance, this one is a little bit less good than that one. That one is really a very, very, very good one. I was really surprised of that one efficiency. So I remember that one has good efficiency too. So I would say that in terms of efficiency, if I take the three one, I will class this one first, this one second, and this one third for now. Yeah, cause I don't know why it's sharp, but it was difficult to do some feather stick and some small work. It was more like big work. What you can see too, this is that could be one thing you want to decide. The tip is different. Both. look at the size of the tip. This one is a beast in terms of tip. Look at the size of the tip. It's crazy, crazy tip. It's very, very, very thick. I mean, there is no way you break that thick, that tip. This one is a little bit more slimmer. So that one is kind of pre bar. That's why they maybe have a less good penetration. The ball toe is in the middle. I mean, it's very strong too, but a little bit less thick. But if you look at this one, thickness is almost full thickness of the blade until almost the last 1 or 2 centimeters, which makes that you use less easily that part of the blade, which cut a little bit less than that part, and you have a little bit more weight on the top of the blade. So I think to use that as a tool for every stuff like heavy duty tool, it's very useful. You can use it as a pray bar, everything. You will not damage it for sure. So just depend what you're looking for. I mean, yeah, all are cool. Not that this one was not released on Ali with the groove. They have done one version which is without the groove. So if you want one with the groove on Ali is easy to find, that one is the only option. And I like the groove. I mean, it's a very good looking one. It's well made. Let's look at the spec now on that one. Oh no, before to look at the spec, let's look at the sheath. So the sheath is nice. You can see that small part a little bit. I think this is for the style. A very nice click. It's not moving at all. The belt loop is a regular quality. You have belt loop as for the bolter and you call that, and the tech lock. So you have both. You can attach it and secure it here. Well made, nice belt loop. Nothing to say on the sheath. The only thing on the sheath, this is that it's very difficult to take out the stuff out of the sheath. I mean that you really need to. You see my thumb. You will need to press here, and even if you press here, that part is really well adjusted. So it's a little bit difficult to take it out. Except that, no other cons for the sheath. It's a really good one, strong Kydex. Probably one of the, if you compare to the other one, that's about it. If you compare the both Kydex size, yeah, it's thicker than the one for the Bison. This one has the less good Kydex sheath. It's still doing the job, but less quality. And this one has a good looking style with that part. Okay, which is showing that there is a groove below. I mean, usually when they do that, it's because the knife has a groove. So let's look at the spec now on that knife. I have a 17 centimeters blade, 19.5 to the handle, 33 centimeters, a little bit more than 33, 33.2, 8.3 in total size. You have a thickness of 6 millimeters, 6 millimeters thickness, and 4 centimeters wide. Let's look at the weight and let's see which one is the heaviest in the both, in the three Team Gemini I have. This one is almost 500 grams, 493. This one should be the lighter. Yeah, 438. You can see the difference because of the thickness. This one is 5 point something millimeters, and this one is 6. And this one, which was 6, is 514. So that's the heaviest one, but this one is longer if you look at the blade, and the same thickness. So it's 492, and with the sheath, which has a tech lock, 664. Yeah. So yeah, I think that for me this is more a question of style. Okay, yeah, some of the people may tell me, yeah, you bought 3 fake, and you could maybe for the 3 fake one price get 1 original Team Gemini. So first of all, it's not exactly the same because you have that kind of Team Gemini, or like it's not exactly Team Gemini. It's the Bison, the Gemini Cavalry, and the other one is the Light Brigade. So this is 2 difference, this one and this one. And yeah, probably, but it's difficult to find out some bussy because it's always out of stock. And I mean that this one is for me as good, doing the job. It's not a clone because they have their own brand. It's an inspiration of the design, but that's a different story. And that's really good one. good looking. I tried to throw it in some trees, and I mean that was not moving at all. It's a beast. So yeah, up to you guys, but me, I'm a fan of that one. Thanks guys, bye bye.